Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, business owner, or social media manager looking to simplify your content workflow, you're going to love today's tool. We're talking about Hopper HQ, the all-in-one social media scheduling and management platform that's now available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. So grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Let's dive in. Are you tired of juggling Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more, manually posting, tracking analytics, and wondering if your content is even working? Hopper HQ might just be your new social media secret weapon. What is Hopper HQ? Hopper HQ is an AI-powered platform designed to plan, schedule, and manage all your social media content in one place. It works with Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, X, formerly Twitter, and even YouTube Shorts. Whether you're scheduling posts, carousels, stories, or reels, this tool has you covered. Let's go through some of the key features. Drag and drop grid planner for Instagram and TikTok. Visualize your feed before publishing. AI hashtag generator and caption assistant. No more staring at a blank caption box. Multi-platform scheduling. Plan weeks or months ahead. Team collaboration. Invite clients or team members, assign roles, and manage approvals. Link in bio microsite builder. Drive traffic directly from your profile to offers, products, or content. Analytics dashboard. Track your performance and adjust your strategy. WHO is this for? This is perfect for freelancers and agencies managing multiple clients. Small business owners who need to stay active on socials. Creators and influencers who want better control of their brand. Teams who want to collaborate and streamline content approvals. Lifetime deal details. Hopper HQ is available right now on AppSumo for a one-time payment starting at $59. That's right, lifetime access with no monthly fees. It's a steal compared to paying for a separate scheduler, analytics tool, and link in bio builder. Final thoughts. If you're managing content across platforms and want to save time, stay consistent, and grow your presence, Hopper HQ is a solid investment, especially at the AppSumo lifetime deal price. You can find the link to the deal in the description below. Check it out before it's gone. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button.